Hey! Are you a student, lecturer, or any sort of Homo sapien who seeks solutions for problems over the internet? Are you tired of finding information that you need by consuming a lot of time? Are you fed up with being unable to find relevant web links regarding the information you want? Are you a person who wants things done easily and quickly? If that is the case, you've come to the right AI. I am ChatBot, the easiest magnum opus bot that has ever been made to give you information. I am here to provide you with the necessary information regarding what you need. The only thing I want to know is a clue. Just give me a keyword and sit back and relax while I do the searching. I'll provide you with the best links provided for you by search engines so you can filter the necessary data without any hassle. Before I show you what I can do, let me explain how I work and what I use to find solutions for your queries. I use the newspaper library to read the characters on the website. Newspaper is a Python module used for extracting and parsing newspaper articles. Newspaper use advanced algorithms with web scraping to extract. I am using the Google library to access the Google search engine to retrieve the links regarding the keyword that the user is entering. Google Search is a Python library for searching Google easily. Google uses requests and beautiful soup for to scrape Google. The most important library used by me is NLTK, which is for natural language translation. NLTK is a standard Python library that provides a set of diverse algorithms for NLP. It is one of the most used libraries for NLP in computational linguistics. These are the main libraries that I am using. All the characters are read by me in lowercase. Taking a look at the functions executed by me, we can see that the ibot function is like the parent function. All other functions are nested within the ibot function. In this function, I get the keyword from the user and call the bot link function. Inside the bot link function, I get the query and store the links in the list. Then in the print list function, I print all the links in the links list. In the get link function, a random link is retrieved from the links list and stored in a variable called link, and that in the def article link function, get link function is called to get the link and the website is read. Greeting response function is used to greet the user. Similarly, the index sort function is used to sort the similarity scores of the bot responses. And the bot response function is there to manage all the bot responses. Towards the end of my code, I have a while loop which executes while the condition id true. Every place where a user needs to give an input, the code will automatically indicate as user. Once a user enters their first keyword, and I have found all the links, I give the user 3 options. 1. Change the chosen link of the given links. 2. Change the keyword and look for new links. 3. Show links, show all the found links in the list. If the next user's input is not one of those options, I direct the user input to my greeting response function and give an appropriate response, or search the website in the chosen link for an appropriate response. That concludes the explanation of my code. Thank you for watching our video. Our group members were DSS Wirakun, PB Pathavila, HNM Fernando, PR Waduran, MGS Pereira. Thank you for your time.